Yes, I am using light from a flashlight to light up my face. But who fucking cares? This video is about a couple of things. One is that spring break is coming up, and a lot of people are gonna be doing stuff. Well, I'm a fucking lazy piece of shit, and I don't want to do anything. So me and my friend Seth, a lot of people are requesting to see him in my videos. Me and him are going to do a collaboration video, most likely. So we're gonna do a couple of those this spring break. One more thing, you're a cunt. I have a goal. My goal right now is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I know it's far away. By the time I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a little thing. You'll find out what the thing is whenever I get closer to 1,000 subscribers. If you're wondering why I post dumbass shit, it's because I don't have any other fucking thing to do. Now what you're about to see is probably the dumbest thing I've ever fucking done. Well, no. There's gonna be a lot of dumb shit on this channel if you don't know already. But what you're about to see is fucking retarded. And I don't know why.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I have 2 eggs. You know what that means, right? Delicious. Oh my fucking Why? Like, actually, why? Cunt.